Guys, welcome back. I am making another soap today. This one is with a fragrance oil I have never used before, so I'm doing my smaller batch to see what happens. The fragrance note said some people have seen acceleration, so I'm soaping at about 100 degrees-ish. I am using Nurture Soap, Ginger, and Lime, and I'm pretty excited about it. I'm not gonna lie. The colors that I decided to go with for this, I'm just gonna do like an in the pot swirly thing. I don't know, we're gonna see what happens, is Mango Tango, Gold Sparkle, and Love Sunshine. So I'm excited to see how this turns out, to be honest. But I've got my paper over here. If you see me pop over here real quick, it's because I'm taking notes so that I can add my own soaping notes to the fragrance oil in my program so that I know what's happening. So I am going to go ahead and get this going. My lye water, I use about half aloe juice, half distilled water to make it. I love aloe juice, so just about all of my soaps have aloe juice now. I do, however, make sure to use this, just in case. All right. Here, and then we are just going to give it a little zhoosh. Now I'm just going to split it up. It's not completely ready to go yet, and so that I am doing it all together, I'm going to get my micas in. Right, now I'm going to add the fragrance, and then juice it all together at once. And now we're blending the color and the fragrance at the same time. Now we've got everything together pretty nicely. We should be at a fairly good little trace here. Put up. All right, let's see what we got here. Just let it set a minute and make sure we're not at any kind of false trace or anything. Mix out any air bubbles I got. The only thing about doing these smaller batches, I have such a hard time keeping air bubbles out of small batches, like for real. All right, so now I am just going to pour things in here and see what happens. That's how we're doing this. I think we're gonna go some yellow. Fill the bottom with yellow there. Maybe like a faux funnel, I think this might be called. Pour that in there. Some of the gold, which will turn out more of a tan. So this is kind of my ginger color. Make sense? kind of what I'm going for over here. We'll just see how this turns out.
I'm going to scrape as much of this out as I can. Right here in the center there. Alright, and this one. Do the same with this one. Now what I'm probably thinking I'm going to do here, I realize I changed the way I went in about midway through. Alright. Turn my heating pad on to be warming up.
That's all right. I am going to kind of like, just like that. Nothing too crazy. And then we're going to pour it and see what happens. All right, here we go. All right, let me get my spatula. Sorry, I'm going to have to get in your face here. I'm sorry. I am the queen of mess. There we go. Kind of looks like mustard and ketchup mixed together. Right now, I don't know how I feel about my color selections now. But these colors tend to shift as we go. All right, I'm gonna get this in, rest of this in the mold and get cleaned up a little, and we'll be right back. All right, okay, as you can see, I have beat it down, and kind of scraped the rest of my bowls too. So I'm just going to give it a little kind of like that. Nothing too fancy. Just kind of give it some movement on the top there. There we go. All right, and then take these off so I don't get soap on my containers. I'm just going to sprinkle with a little Sparkle Sunshine. Just a little, yeah. Also going to give it a alcohol. There we go. Now Sparkle Sunshine. All right, maybe more than I anticipated because glitter. Ah! Hotness is showing. All right, so I am going to get this covered and over. Okay, so I am going to get this covered and over on the heating pad for the evening. And we will see what it looks like tomorrow. All right, here we go. The cutting of the ginger lime scented soap. No idea what I'm calling it yet. And I'm not sure I picked enough contrasting colors. I don't know. Let's see how it goes. Here we go. Pull these little sampley ones off. All right, here we go. Let's see what we got. Ooh, it's actually quite pretty. Still a little soft. I kind of like that. Oh, it smells so good. That turned out quite nice, I think. Nice, simple swirl. I like it. All right. I kind of like it. These two got a little bit of a darkness here, like a big blob-ish, but still really cute. I really, really like it. All right, guys. Comment down below what y'all think, and I'll see you later. Bye.